So I thought it would be a good thing to show people. Here I am, I'm handicapped. So, how do I get from my car into the house? So, one of the first things I do is as I'm in the car, I hit my little button there, which allows my door to be unlocked. The RV lock that I have on there is a keypad. Or it can be done with keys, or it can be done, oh goodness, with the remote lock. And so here I am getting out, and I have my plants are really, really growing. I've got cilantro, no, not cilantro, goodness gracious, citronella and lemongrass and lantana. The lantana is doing okay in here and in here. So with this door open, lost track there, with this door open, it allows me to put my hand on it so I can move forward and hold it for balancing. And so you can see the lantana right down there. And these things help to keep mosquitoes down. I do still have my peppermint plants. They need to get planted into the ground, but they're actually doing pretty good as they are. And so I have the steps, and they're only a 4-inch rise, so it's not a real high rise, and it's almost 11 inches on the tread. So I get a pretty good hold, and I can have my hand here and on this rail as well, and that helps me to keep balance. And I can get up the steps, and then from here when I'm coming down, the car is pretty close, and so I can just grab onto the other rail. You can almost see my reflection in the window, and then step down very carefully. And I only have about a step, and I can reach over, open the door, and get in. And of course, you gotta get in on the sideways and push in, and then that way you can twist around on your derriere and be able to get in. And so that is how I get in and out with the steps while I'm still able to. My left side is very weak, and I'm trying to do some things to help get it stronger. I'm trying to watch my diet and lose weight. My goal is to lose 60 pounds. I'm putting it out there. Less weight means it's going to be easier for me to move around. And here I am at my little deck. It's so cute. I've got my, grill there. And then under it is a box. It's plastic. It's got wheels on it. It closes up, but then when this cover, it covers the whole thing. So that's where I keep my charcoal, which is nice and safe. Keeps it all nice and dry. And now as I walk in, there has been some improvement. This is new. I had put it on here previously, but I hold this. This is a great, just almost rail of sorts, and it's in just the right position, and it helps me so that I have balance and I can step in. I do have that step, and it's a full step, which I am going to be putting a board in there to help make it so that it's only 4 inches there to both steps. But some improvement has been made. More needs to be made. Have made a change over here. still need to get the shower rack up, rod, excuse me, and curtains, but I need a little help on that one. And then my step down here and there, I haven't been able to do yet because I can't get to my circular saw, which is in the shed, and I've asked people to put things in there, but now everything is blocked. It can't get into it to get the wood or the circular saw to do anything, but it's a work in progress. I've got a bunch of bags here that need to be cleaned up. This chair, I've decided it is going to go. I'm going to keep the bar stool. Right now it's a mess because I got this paperwork I have to do for long-term disability, but it is definitely improving. But anyway, just thought I'd just drop a little thing on a little bit of the safety of getting up and down the stairs. And they are made specifically for me, with just that 4-inch rise, so it is safer for me to get up and down on those steps. I hope everybody has a good day. Nice to see you. Hope you come back.